Flaxseed is one of nature's most underrated miracles for healthy, strong, and beautiful hair. It's made from tiny brown or golden seeds that may look simple, but don't let their size fool you. These little seeds are packed with powerful nutrients that can completely transform your hair. When boiled in water, flaxseed releases a thick jelly-like substance known as flaxseed gel, which is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and natural oils. This gel works wonders for every hair type from curly to kinky, wavy to straight. Flaxseed gel is a natural moisturizer that hydrates the hair strands, reduces frizz, and defines coils without leaving them stiff or crunchy. It gives your hair soft, flexible hold that makes styling easier while keeping your strands protected. If you deal with or if you often deal with dryness, breakage, or dullness, flaxseed gel provides deep nourishment and keeps retained moisture for longer period. The natural mucilage in the gel coats each strands, locking in hydration and protecting your hair from heat, wind, and environmental stress. Flaxseed contains vitamin E, which is strong antioxidant that protects the hair from free radicals. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids, the star nutrients that deeply moisturizes both scalp and hair. It also prevents dryness and keeps strands strong and elastic for a long period of time. It also contains protein which repair weak, damaged hair and reduces breakage, making your hair feel stronger and look fuller. The best part is that it's 100% natural, affordable, and easy to make at home. No harsh chemicals, no side effects. So come with me as we hydrate my hair with flaxseed gel and I wash it afterwards. I must confess that this process was so comfortable, and after applying the flaxseed gel, I after washing it I understood that my hair was soft and fresh, and this is the first time I'm using flaxseed gel, so I would recommend you to incorporate it as part of your hair care routine, and your hair will thank you afterwards.